Hello, this is Tanker Yuan from WewonTech. Today we will introduce the short spring tester for the smaller size. So I will let you know how to do the installation work. So step 1, so please make sure you turn on the power. And also this is the air supply pipes. Make sure clean here. This is very important. And another important is you need to make sure the clean water inside. This is the water for testing room. You need to put the water here, and also the water here, and also the clean water inside. This is the clean water used for the prayer bucket, prayer tank, for the short spring purpose. And this is the last. You need to put the salt water inside. The salt water for fogging purpose. So that's all. This is step 1. Thank you.